All right, let's get it, smart money gang. So you already know what time it is, man. It's your boy SMSFXMENTOR, and I'm here to drop another banger, more fire, more heat, guys. So basically what I'm about to be going over is, by the title, you already see, high frequency Forex, right? Or binary options, right? Or money in minutes, guys. Today, I'm about to show you guys how to make money in minutes, and I'm going to compare it to Forex. It's really not a comparison because I do teach options as well, but I want to show you guys the risk compared to Forex, okay? With binary options, pocket options, all of it's the same, guys. It's high frequency. You can make money in a minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, however long you want to hold the trade. You just have to understand the difference between a call and a put, right? So a call usually, you're going to go for a buy, right? And then a put is usually a sale. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to show you guys that, you don't need to go to IML or any company to be able to trade binary options, guys. And I'm going to show you how right now. But first, I'm going to need you to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, right? And you already know what it is, man. We running it up. It's 2021. I got to wake up, right? We got to get out of this old mindset in the 50s and 60s, right? All we had was what we learned from someone that we know, a loved one, our mom, our parents, right? Things of that nature, right? But they was born in the 50s and the 60s, guys. This is a new generation, a new world, right? We all into NFTs, man. It's virtual money. It's internet money out here, guys. That's what you got to understand, right? So basically, man, I'm about to get right into this, man. Small disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. It takes almost 8 years to become a financial advisor. Yes, I'm trying to become a financial advisor because I'm tired of saying I'm not one, right? So why wouldn't I become one, right? But that's going to take a process, right? But right now, I do offer mentorship, private mentorship, guys, where I sit down, break down, give you one-on-ones, just like how we doing now, but you get a private mentorship. And guess what? I'll even work with a plan. We'll work up some type of plan, right? A trading plan for you, right? Proper risk to reward ratios, right? Proper risk management, things of that nature, right? Then you get my methodology and my psychology on how I break down and enter each and every trade, guys. Listen, I send out daily analysis, private signals. We eating, guys, we eating. So why don't you get hip, get hype, get in now before price goes up, man. It's $199.99. One-time fee, right? So let me just tell you how I compare to IML, right? $199.99, right? One-time fee, right? Full access to me, guys. I'm your master trader, okay, guys? Guess what? I've been trading in the market for 3 years now. 4 years now, guys. So I'm the person that you probably want to go to, guys. Not trying to toot my own horn, but listen, what you want to do is you want to go find free knowledge, right? Which I give out. I give out free knowledge. I index this channel, this channel to give you guys free game because I do not want you guys getting scammed anymore. I do not want you guys paying $180 monthly fees, any of that, right? I'm gonna do one-time fee. That's it. So, God, why wouldn't you want to learn this? Even if you got a good job, the best job in the world, why wouldn't you want extra money? Everybody needs money. It's never enough, right? But anyways, man, we're going to stick right into it, man. We're going to share this channel and we're going to pop right into this. You know what I'm saying? We're about to get live and lit, man. So right here, what we got is pocket options, right? I got demo mode on. I'm a real G. I'm not going to go put on my live account just to show you guys about this, right? I'm gonna put on my demo just like everybody else be trading demo, guys. You gotta realize, right? In order to be successful at something, you have to practice. So you can go right here, free game, right? Pocket options, right? They're not giving me no sponsorship. This is a broker I actually use, and I actually can show you guys withdrawals on here, right? So I can show you guys withdrawals, how I took my money off and everything, how this all works, right? The whole setup. You don't need a secret company to teach you guys this. Now, how this compares to Forex and how this compares to and how option is basically different is, okay, you have a time zone, right? So basically, you can hold trades for like 30 seconds. You can trade from the minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame. So that's the likes. We're gonna do the likes first, and then we're gonna do the differences. You can trade, different currency pairs. So you can trade, all different type of currency pairs, right? Over the counter. So you see this OTC in the back. That just means over the counter. Now, what makes a binary option interesting to me, and like I said, once you get my psychology and my private mentorship, I'll teach you the times where you should trade binary option, where it could be, hey, a quick flip, a quick money flip, But guess what, guys? On binary option, you have to actually risk a certain amount beforehand, right? So binary options can really teach you risk management, guys. Because at the end of the day, right? Say you risk $10, right, for this 80%, right? So say you trade one of these pairs, right? You're gonna trade for this 80%. You can risk $10, right? So let's just say we risk $10, right, for this 80%. We only gonna win $8. We're gonna risk the $10 to win $8. Now the difference between that and Forex is, okay, if I risk $10, I can do a 1 to 5, right? So I can risk 10 and actually make $50, $60, guys, in Forex. Here, if I risk 10, I'm only going to make the $8, okay? If I risk $100, I'm only going to make the $80, all right? So I'm risking $100. So if I lose this trade, I lose $100 automatically. Where rather to Forex, guess what? If I lose a trade and it's going the wrong way, I can get out of that trade. I can exit that trade. As binary options, you cannot exit the trade. You're going the wrong way. You got in for this buy and it's selling right now. And say you got a 30 seconds on or a minute on, and it goes down and it just hold for that minute, and it does never go back up. You lost $100, okay, guys? So that is the big overall difference between binary options and Forex. Now, it is cool to do binary options, and it's easy to get little quick scalps and trades and things of that nature if you understand the market and know what you're doing. So, you have to use the same skill set as Forex. The same thing as stocks, guys. I want to try to do a class, and I'm going to do a video on stocks. So maybe I'll go on Robinhood or something like that. And then I'll show you guys how you can do stock options as well, right? So stocks, Robinhoods, all that little stuff offer options as well. And also on pocket options, you can trade stocks. So you got Apple, American Express, Bank of America, Boeing Company. So I know a lot of people be like, Forex is a scam or this is a scam, but how is this a scam when you can trade Facebook, Ultra Group, Caterpillar, HP, Luke Oil, Johnson & Johnson, IBM, 3M companies, right? Now, the scam is that people swear that they can send money tags and all that. But look, what I wanted to show you too as well, right? So during the days, even when you're trading currencies, right, some pairs is not worth it, right? So you try to tell me you'll risk $10 to get 10%, 10% of $10, or you'll risk $100 just to get 10% of $100. So you will win this trade of $100 and you will only win $110. So you risk $100 to make $10 if you trade Microsoft, guys. What you have to understand is you have to look at these percentages on the side to make sure that the trade is actually valuable or worth it. So like all the oils right now is worth 80% at this time, but look, Bitcoin worth 40%, EOS is worth 40%, right? So, you got the currencies, they worth 80% right now, but sometimes they go down to 60%. So if I risk $100, I'm only winning $60, guys. You're only going to win $60, right? So this is what I want you guys to stay aware of when trading options. It's not a scam, but you do have to absolutely know what you're doing. Now you get little hints like this, like, okay, we got 83% of price going down, we got 22% of it going up to the upside. So like I said, right, if you get in for $100 right here, you would go for a call, right? So you will call, and then you can set your times and things here, guys. So you can be like, hey, I want to hold a trade for 2 minutes, 2-minute candles. Then you can go to the 2-minute time frame. You can go to the 5-second, all the way down to 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, right? Minute to hour time frame, minute, 4 hour, the daily. Same thing as Forex, guys. Same thing as Forex. Nothing really changed here. You noticing the trend right here. You noticing, hey, boom, we got a downtrend. We got a downtrend. Then you notice, hey, boom, price came up over here. We got an uptrend. We got an uptrend. So basically, we following the trends. We're doing the same exact things that we would do in Forex to actually make money, right, guys? So now that we got that out of the way, what we want to do is try to form up a strategy, guys. So you see these numbers on the side, we always want to mark up all these key levels, right? So places of interest, right? So, maybe at this 89,500, you could have took a put, and then you could have took a put, and you actually could have made some money, right? These next 2 candles would have failed in 2 minutes, you would have won, right? I want to try to do a trade live, but I want to make sure I got a perfect setup or a nice setup, something that I really would take in real life. Right here, as you see, prices steady pushing up. It's pushing up above our EMA, so we see prices pushing up to the upside. Maybe price might have a chance to get into this 89,500 level, right, to this last high, right, because we broke this last high, so we might even get all the way up to this 89,500 level. As you see, it's shooting up, right. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you know, when you're risking anything, you know, you want to make sure that you're checking the percentages on the side. During times when the market is closed, you know, you can trade actually 24 hours on binary, guys. So that's one thing that I like about it. You can literally trade 24/7. It's no stopping. You can literally trade all day at the crib, literally all day. If you understand this, you really can trade. You don't need to sit on the computer for hours and talk about this and that and be talking about religion and how to recruit somebody and things of that nature. Now, also, you know, with the right knowledge, you can go teach yourself. You can create a business out of Forex. We understand that, but our goal is not to push to tell you to create a business out of it, but to actually be sitting on these charts and making money, dude. You flipping $100, you flipping 200, you flipping $10 into $200 on here, you know, if you got the proper knowledge, the right knowledge, right? And you know, you're not in a rush to be able to, you know, to get into trades that's not a lot of volatility, or you're not rushing. You're actually, thinking things through, and you're actually putting in the work. You're doing your analysis top down, right? um and then you're actually putting in the work. So now during the weekdays, when when prices actually, when the market is actually open, you won't need to do over the counter. So over the counter is basically like how we would do if we were traveling. So if I was out of the country, I went to New Zealand versus USD, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, hey, you know what? See how NZD is way weak right now. So I know USD have more value on this pair, right? So what I would do is I would be basically looking for puts, right? And then and if I was to go to New Zealand, then I know for a fact my money have more value. So just things like that. So I'm pretty sure USD, we go to USD, any USD pair, we in the uptrend, right? Because USD obviously got a lot of power right now. So you got to think of things of that nature when you're trading this. You want to make sure that whatever you're trading, however you're scalping, you want to make sure you're understanding the time frame. So you go on this period, you can go to the 4-hour and actually see, okay, hey, what's going on in the 4-hour? Okay, it looked choppy, it looked messy, it's consolidating. Matter of fact, I'm not going to take any trades. This pair actually looks crazy to me. I wouldn't take any trades, right? um you know and like I said, over the 4-hour period, hey, this is a low, higher low, right? Higher low. So, pretty soon we slowly gonna be looking for buys. What area price might get to? Maybe this area. Maybe price get way back up here again at some point, right? Right now we got a market that's moving sideways. So like I said, we have to go in and we have to go put in the work as we would Forex, and then we would try to, go ahead off and take the trade, right? So binary option, is an option in trading, guys. But you don't need to be under IM Academy. You don't need to be under anything to understand this and to actually sign up to be able to be on binary options. So I just wanted to give you a little FYI. And people say money in minutes and things of that nature. It's just funny to me, man. It's just like, during the daytime, man, right now it's at 80%, but it'd be 60%, 50%. You win your little $10 trade, you risk $10 to win $6. That's beyond me. Plus you're paying $179 a month if you can't recruit someone, right? Me personally, if you're not making a lot of money off of it, doing it like that, and you're recruiting people, you're basically taking advantage of people, because at the end of the day, you know that for a fact you're not making no money off of doing this, guys, especially if you're not 100 and up. If you're not 100 and up or 1,000 and up on each play, bro, dude, go put that $10 on Forex, put a 0.1 in on Bitcoin and change your life, dude. Go right now. Go put a 0.1 on Bitcoin and change your life, right? Right. Should I show you guys a freebie? But I just wanted to make this video to like kind of do the comparison, man. Like the comparison, man. Like Y'all just don't understand, man. This is, you know, at the end of the day, it's like, bro, it's like I ain't trying to say Forex is the end all be all, but yeah, just go put a penny in, man, and just ride this bad baby up, man. But yeah, man. So, you know, that is my like overall view and concern about a lot of people not understanding that, you know, pocket options is cool. But just make sure that you understand that it's the same exact thing. You can be going and put your money. Okay, let's go to the stock part right here, right? So now Robinhood even offered, right? I'm not saying that's the best one. We got Trade Station, we got Thinkorswim, we got a million different ones where we can trade stocks, right? So they have a option though now on Robinhood where, you know, you can call for a put or you can call, you know, for a call, right? You can go for a call or you can go for a put, right? Now, let me show you guys how you can double your money in the stock market instead of just putting your money in there and saying, hey, you know, I'm gonna hold it for a year and a day. And then I'm gonna actually take my money. You actually, guys, do you realize, like, okay, say when Dogecoin was going up, right? You had this thing called call option or a put option, right? And you can be in the money or out of the money, guys. And what you can do is you can actually buy bulks of people's stocks, right? At one time, right? And the way you would make your exchange rate and the way you would make your money is, okay, you would say, hey, I'm going for a call, right? Over so many amount of days, right? It's the same thing you would do for the Thinkorswim platform, right? And you can actually buy a lot of stock for a little amount of money too, guys, like for a low percentage, right? So when Dogecoin, you know, was going up, I put 300 in there and flipped it to $2,000, guys. So listen, when you got different type of things like that in stock and you understand in stock, so if you understand stock, then you can understand Forex then, because that's Nas 100. So if you see Nas 100 going up, pretty much probably a lot of stocks going up. A lot of major stocks are going up, guys. So, you know, you can listen to people buy the dip, buy the red, but listen, it's all more to that. We look for support. We look for resistance. We're not just buying a dip that's not at a support because it can keep dipping, 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 dipping. You're losing money, losing money, losing money. Well, you're not losing money until you actually take your trade out. But let's say you get in the position up here, right? On stock. It's the same as Forex. You get into a position up here and it start dipping, 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 dipping. You're losing money, money, money. Now, when it come back up, now if it's to come back up and go back up, yeah, your stock is going to keep going up. But what if this stock just keep dipping, dipping, dipping? Well, it's not a stock right here, but let's go to stocks, right? Go to Facebook. Let's just check it out. All right, Facebook on the rise again. Okay, so Facebook is, you know, we found support right here. We found a higher low, right? Support. So price was dipping, dipping, and you know, people say buy the dip, right? So they didn't. So you know, boom, that's cool. You know, you bought the dip right here after you found support, not just hey, you know, it's dipping. So now buy the dip. You bought this dip right here. Now you're dipping even more, right? So stop listening to people. Buy it on reds. Buy it on this. Listen, man. Come get the real knowledge before putting your money in anything. Come get the proper knowledge from someone that really cares or really want to see people win. Try to look into people's background. Try to look at people's history. Guys, I wouldn't want to do nothing but see you guys win, right? That's why I'm charging so low. I can be charging $1,000, $2,000 for this type of information. I can actually get you funded. People don't even realize, bro, you can get funded in stock. You can get funded in options. You can get funded in Forex, guys. Listen, I got the sauce, bro. I had the sauce, dog. Listen, you're not listening. I got the sauce for you. You just have to understand. You have to take that $199.99 initiative, that investment into yourself, and go ahead and join the money squad. And then I'll show you guys. Don't get tricked like Money Mayweather, bro. He made his money in boxing. Guess what? IML paid him to put an announcement out about IML. It just makes sense, right? So it's like, hey, if I go pay a superstar right now to tell you guys right now that, hey, I'm the GOAT, I'm the best at this shit, right? Then that's what, you know, y'all just gonna run, believe that? Listen, man, I'm putting out free knowledge just for you guys to go and look and check it out and see for yourself. Understand if Forex or options or whatever you want is for you, guys. This can be for you. You don't have to sit at the screen all year, right? You don't have to sit at the screen all year, guys. You can understand patterns. I'll teach you guys different patterns, right? I'll teach you guys different patterns. You know what I'm saying? So right here we got, you know, okay. So okay, this is what you call a pennant, bullish pennant, whatever you want to call it, right? Right here, right? So you would have seen Facebook, getting ready to go for this, to go for this nice little buy right here, because you would have seen this pennant right here, right? dealing with me, guys, I'm gonna put you hip, man. I'm gonna put you hip. I'm gonna always put you hip. And I'm always put you on game, right? So this is just free knowledge right here. So we see this bullish pennant right here, and then we had a push up to the upside. So I'll show you guys what a bullish pennant is, and to let you guys know that I'm a chartist, I'm an analyst, man. I analyze the charts. That's all I do every single day of the day, right? Because I know that I can dig into this bag and get however much I want. So we're gonna go to you know, a bullish pennant, so we can show you guys an example. And now, if you want to see these type of patterns and things like that, you don't have to go to Google, but you can go to Google. But you can actually, you don't have to go to Google. You can actually go to my Discord right now. I have a free Discord on SMSFXMentors.com. I have every shape, candle, pattern, anything you can think of that'll make your trading so much better. Okay, so bullish pennant. I'm not gonna say this is a bullish pennant. I'm gonna say a wedge. All right, so this is a bullish wedge. All right, you know, so I just want to give you guys a good understanding or view at what's going on and what we see. Why we see what we see. Okay, so right here we can go right here, right? This is kind of that same setup we seen right here on Facebook. All right, so we see this right here because that's what we on, right? We're going live on Facebook. I can trade Facebook. I own Facebook, guys. I own Facebook. Tell Mark Zuckerberg what's up. I own half his company. I own a percentage of his company. Sorry, no, but for real though, I really do though, right? So I own percentage of Facebook, guys. So that's why I use it. I use stuff. Anything that I use or I do, I'm going to get paid, guys. That's what life is about. You have to understand that. That's how all these companies work. That's how these big three companies work. They have what you call assets, right? Instead of liabilities. All right. So anyways, man, so what we see right now, we see a wedge, and then boom, we see a shoot to the upside, right? So you know, I'll prepare you guys for things like this, so that way you could have waited on this breakout, boom, and then you could have put $1,000 on this option trade, and you could have made as much money as you wanted. They got you guys fooled, man. They got you guys on a call. You know, you were the master trader, right? This guy is going to trade. He's a millionaire. He making all of this money. Guys, listen. SMSFXMentors.com, man. I'm gonna end it just like that, man. Look, if you guys want full detail on how to trade options and things of that nature, and you want to jump into this bag with me, then you already know what to do, man. Join the squad, right? I'll teach you whatever you're trying to get taught, man. Just let me know, you know, shoot me a DM, you know what I'm saying? Be like, hey, you know, I really want to learn this. I really, you know, I see what you're doing. You feel me? And yeah, man, I'll put y'all up on game, man. But yeah, man, you know, you can check the time frames, man. You can go in and take different time frames. You can go trade off the minute. You can do whatever you want to do, guys. The minute is really choppy. You really won't understand unless you understand EMAs or you got some type of strategy, right? I can teach you all the strategy in the world for free. Just trust me, it's more than that, right? All right, so you can go right here. You already know I'm indexing my whole channel, so you can go right here and then you know, you can change the time frame. Hey, I want to hold the trade for 7 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes and 3 seconds, 5 seconds. You know what I'm saying? So you know, pretty much, man, this is what's going on. So let me just give you guys an example. So me personally right here, I could take a buy right here. So let me just take a buy or a call, right? I'll take a call. I'm holding this call for 2 minutes. I feel like price can go up, right? We're above our AMA. You know what I'm saying? We right here at our AMA right here. So I feel like price is going to go up, right? So I'm gonna just show you how simple, you know, how simple this could be, how you could easily make money or how you could easily lose money, right? I'm not, you know, I didn't really do my full educated guess, but I'm just going off of, you know, price. I'm going off of, okay, we at the 200. I'm going off of prices above, you know, these two EMAs right here. You know, I'll give you guys the secret sauce. And I just feel like, hey, price could push up, maybe up to this level right here. Or, you know what I'm saying? Well, I don't have any more levels right here, but maybe price want to get back up to this level right here. So, you know, hey, boom, I took a buy, right? So let's see, we hold it for 2 minutes. We can go look at the trade right here to actually see how long we can see. We can see if we in profits or not in profit. So right now I'm in profit. And then let's see, 1 more minute. We got 1 minute to win this trade, guys. So this is exactly how it works. And then I'm going to end this session, guys. SMSFXMentors.com. If you want to join the squad, come get a bag with a real GOAT, a boss. All right. All right. So come get a bag with a GOAT. Come get a bag with a real boss, man. SMSFX mentors, y'all already know what it is. We got 39 seconds more to hold this trade, bro. Let's see if my foot is in my mouth or, you know, hey, do I know what I'm doing, right? How risky is trading options, man? You know, so we in profits. See, if I could have been at 180 up in Forex, I could have ended the trade, closed the trade out, and been done with the trade. Me personally, now I gotta wait 18 seconds, 16 seconds to see if I'm gonna win this trade. You know, so I mean, it's all about what you're trying to do when you're trying to do it, what you're trying to do. But you feel me? I'm always dropping jewels, new jewels for you guys. We got 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. As you guys see, I won $180, right? I only won $80 though. I risked 100, I only won $80. As you see, my profit went up. So SMSFXMentors.com, bro. Run up a bag with your boy, or go pay $179 a month, or $80 a month, or $20 a month, $90 a month for signals and things like that, or come learn how to actually trade with your boy. Let's get it, man. SMSFX Mentors, and we out of here, dog. We out of here, man.